What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to restart your iPhone without using your power button. First, we need to enable Assistive Touch, which allows you to restart your iPhone through a software button. To do this, go to your iPhone settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then, scroll down and tap on Touch. In the Touch menu, select Assistive Touch. Toggle Assistive Touch on, and you'll see a small floating button appear on your screen. If you have trouble finding Assistive Touch, you can also search for it. Go back to the main settings screen, scroll up to reveal the search bar and search for Assistive Touch. Tap on the search result to navigate directly to the Assistive Touch settings. Now that Assistive Touch is enabled, let's set it up to restart your iPhone. Under the Custom Actions section, you have several options: Single Tap, Double Tap and Long Press. For this tutorial, we'll use Double Tap. Tap on Double Tap and then select Restart from the list of actions. With this setup, you can now restart your iPhone by double tapping the Assistive Touch button. Let's test it out. Double tap the floating Assistive Touch button, and a prompt will appear asking you if you want to restart your iPhone. Confirm by tapping Restart. By following these steps, you can easily reboot your iPhone without using the power button. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.